Nice evening.
It is. It's a lovely evening.
And
We
there's
got,
the Honda Element coming.
and here comes Susan! Yay!